Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. If you are a MonoSolutions website developer, or you are a MonoSolutions website owner, or you have a MonoSolutions website, we want to share with you our tool because we want to make your customers happier. This is the data. As you know, mobile is the main channel of users to go to your website. They use their phone, and when they are with their phone, the best way to engage, to send a contact, to start a conversation is WhatsApp. We give you the best tools to make that a reality. So, your website can be as beautiful as this one or like this one, and you can have that cool WhatsApp button on your website. We want to give you a free solution. So if you are a MonoSolutions website owner, ask for the WhatsApp widget. The WhatsApp widget is going to help you a lot to start a conversation. If you want to do it on yourself, of course you can do it. You can go to our website and you can create the code to put it in your MonoSolutions website. I'm going to share this presentation in the comments, so please check the comments to get this more information. Go to our website, and we are here to help you. If you have a beautiful MonoSolutions website, now you can have the WhatsApp widget to create a more easier, convenient channel to start a conversation with your clients, or like in this case with potential employees or candidates for your business, because you need more employers. You need more employees for your company. So anyway, we are here to help you. We are Chatwith. I'm Cesar. Please contact us for more information. Thank you. Bye bye.